In this video, I will show you how to find preseason game tracking and live audio streams on NFL app. So for that, simply open up NFL. From here, in the bottom you can see this menu bar. Click on this calendar icon. Once you click on it, here you can find all the preseason games. Simply click on any one that you want to follow. Once you click on it, now you will be able to follow it. Then view real-time drive charts, play-by-play text updates, etc. So for the live streams, how you can find it is whenever you are in the live game, there you can simply click to follow it. Once you go there you will find this headphone icon or a listen type icon or audio icon. There you can simply click on it. Once you do it, you can choose whether you want to choose home, away or national radio broadcast. Simply choose any one of it. Log into your NFL Plus account and then you'll be able to listen to it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.